What would I do without your smart mom? Drawn me in and you... Dili ko ka... Dili ko kapas. Spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's on the road. Kantabi. Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your nagkarat. Wait lang. Cause I love you all of me. And you give me all of you. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're so beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around to every mind. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's really ahead for you.
Ikaw na ito eh.
Hmm?
Ikaw na, try na nakagkanta. Ikaw na ka na.
Sugaran? Kita na ko lirik. Okay. Wait.
Ayun lang, ayun lang share screen.
Kita. Dili. Dili sa dapat saan? Sa likod.
Ikaw ka na, sige.
Kakanta na yan. Ha? Okay, start.
Ayaw sa idol eh.
Ana.
Sige, sige.
Ay, ito ba na yung hang ano, baba, para magawa sa imong tingog.
Isugod na?
Oh,
Ay, God. Was mo,
kajat lang. Gali.
Abraham.
Dili ka siya maklaro ang iyang ano, bi, oy. Perfect na ano, with Ed Sheeran. Kaya?
اللي عم تعيشه بحياتها واللي عم تشوفه
Kanta ka?
حقيقة
Kanta ka? Ed Sheeran?
Sige rin, try daw.
Yan namatay.
Gusto isugod na gani.
Mabalaan ra na nimo.
iPhone. Mura.
Mm.
Oh,
Mm. Sige na.
galing this Taiwan. Follow my lead.
Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. You were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing where it was. I wanna give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is so wide open in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my hearts, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you look like mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard the. Di ba? Nagtakilit.
Mas okay pagbasahon. Makuha pa.
So mali pag na-sound. Make your own. Okay na, be? Tama na, be?